This video shows you how to install your Ring Stick-Up Cam Elite. To get started, get the Ring app on your phone or tablet. It's available on the App Store and Google Play Store. Now let's get your Stick-Up Cam ready to install. First, slide off the bottom cover. Keep it handy, as you'll need it soon. Next, grab the included PoE adapter and power cable and the included Ethernet cable, which look like this. Plug the PoE adapter into a power outlet near your internet modem or Ethernet switch using the included power cable. Then connect the PoE adapter to your internet modem or switch with the included Ethernet cable. Be sure to plug the cable into the port marked in. Then connect another Ethernet cable, available at most electronics stores, to the port marked out. This cable will carry both power and internet to your Stick-Up Cam. Next, feed the other end of this Ethernet cable through the hole in the bottom cover you removed and plug it into your Stick-Up Cam. In the Ring app, tap Set up a device, choose Security Cams, and follow the in-app instructions to complete setup. Once it's set up, Stick-Up Cam may begin flashing its lights. This means it is installing a software update. Do not unplug your Stick-Up Cam during this process. If you plan to simply sit your Stick-Up Cam on a surface, push this rubber pad into the bottom of the base. If you plan to mount your Stick-Up Cam on a wall, push the rubber pad into the top of the base. Then flip the base toward the rear of the camera. If you plan to mount your Stick-Up Cam on a ceiling, push the rubber pad into the bottom of the base. Then swivel the stand so the base is above the camera. Finally, hold the base in place on your wall or ceiling, rubber side down. If you're wall mounting, you can use the bubble level to ensure the base is straight. Next, drive the 3 mounting screws. If you're mounting your Stick-Up Cam on a brick or masonry surface, use the included drill bit to pre-drill the holes and push the included wall anchors into the holes before mounting. Next, snap the cover onto the base and add the security screw if desired. Finally, slide the bottom cover back into place over the cable and use the star-shaped end of the screwdriver bit to tighten the screw. If you need any additional help, visit us at ring.com.